Right, let me quickly show you the backpack. There we go. As you can see on the back, just over here, is a press so that you can check the level of the battery. I've actually used this thing now for several hours and I've still got 2 bars left. You'll notice also the rainwater sign, so that backpack is fully weather protected. And then you'll also notice a little patch on the patch pocket at the back for carrying a different battery instead of the backpack battery. The motor is very compact, as you can see, and then the power cable literally just plugs in to just behind the handle there. It is a simple, very easy, quick pull out and push in like that. Yeah, pull out, push in. It's also the charging cable. Very quickly, if I can just get an angle on the handlebars, you'll see the right hand has control with the safety on off, and this one over here gives you 3 levels of power. To be honest, in all modes, whether with the cutter mode or with the string mode, 1 is more than enough. It is as powerful, in my view, as a petrol powered one. You see the slightly, I wouldn't say misaligned, oddly aligned handlebar for control, and if you just look here, it's easily adjustable by this toggle switch there. You just unscrew it and you can change the angle of the handles to suit. You've also got, you know, the battery pack comes with this very nice padded shoulder straps and stuff like that, so it is comfortable, but you do have to make sure that you adjust it to suit your body frame. It's got a waistband, and then you've also got a shoulder strap across there that supports the weight, and again you'll see there you've got the series of 8 holes that you can use to get exactly the right balance of the machine when you're working it. It should just float gently above the ground at a sort of parallel to the ground, and that gives you the most effective cut. This is the charger, and you'll notice that on the front is a circular sort of socket, and literally that it takes the socket from the battery pack, the battery backpack, and you just plug that in there and then plug that into the mains so that you have you know, a charge on that. To be honest, I worked this thing hard, but I've really only had to charge it once in the whole time I was testing it. Okay, and then we come to this, which doesn't look like much at the minute, but when you open it out, you'll see it's got 3 plastic cutters. They are very strong, and just held in place with a little screw. They really are very powerful. If you're not careful, you can get through the grass roots and down to the earth very quickly when you're working. So really, I would recommend them only for cutting brush and stuff like that. All in all, this is a very impressive machine. And when I spoke to a contractor at one of the Stihl agents, he said in days gone by they always used to use these, you know, for jobs which meant starting at 7:30 in the morning, so they didn't disturb people. He said they soon found out that they were powerful enough to use every day, so a lot of them are now being sold to people who really care about the environment and also have got the power and capacity that they need for a cordless, you know, powered machine. So I think it's a great job. I love this machine. It's great to use.